Hi, in this video, we will show you how to build a document-specific template using the new ZorroSign Workflow Builder 2.0. In this example, we will set up a non-disclosure agreement as a template. Before you start building a template, you must consider three things. First, is the document appropriately formatted for electronic processing? This generally means spacing between lines, sufficient space to write things in, place for signature and date and company seal if required, and in case of ZorroSign documents, place for security token. The second thing to consider is to determine what information remains constant in your document, such as name of your company, address, and the type of business structure. For example, ABC Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located in San Francisco, California. Pre-fill this information in the document before uploading it to ZorroSign. Third thing to consider is the signature workflow, meaning who signs when. In our example of non-disclosure agreement, we will have a document initiator, perhaps a salesperson, an NDA signer at your company, second-party NDA signer, and one or more people to CC after the NDA has been signed. Now let's see how to create this template. Once the document is ready to be used as a template, log into ZorroSign. Click on Start, Template, and Create Template. Give your template a name. Select Document-Specific Workflow Type. Click on Upload. Select a document from your desktop. Click Next. The great thing about template is that you can define placeholders for various parties that will be signing your document. This way, you can select different people to sign the document every time you run your template. Define placeholders for your signing parties. In this example, we will have an initiator, an NDA signer for your company, second-party NDA signer, and one or more CC people once the document has been signed by all the parties. Now to define what action each placeholder signer party will be taking, simply select the first person from the recipient list. In this case, it will be the NDA initiator. Simply drag and drop one action control at a time onto the appropriate location on the document. Now select the next placeholder signer, which in our case is the company NDA signer. Repeat the same process, drag and drop one action control at a time onto the appropriate location on the document. Repeat the same process for the second party signer. Now, place the ZorroSign security token onto the document. Now select the CC, person, or persons placeholder and drag and drop the CC action control onto the document. When you're done, close the recipient's drop-down list. Notice the Done pointer pointing to the green Approved button on the lower right-hand side. Click on the Approve button. Enter your password. As an option, you can define two additional characteristics for your template. The first, if a template is no longer valid after a certain date, you can set template active until date. For example, many legal and HR documents are no longer valid after the 31st of December. Once an active until date is set, it can always be changed. Second, you may want to give all parties only a certain number of days to sign the document. To do that, simply enter the number of days in the document due in field. This step is not required. If you leave this field blank, the document has no expiration date. Click Publish. Now you have successfully published a document-specific template and workflow. To access your templates, simply click on the Start menu, Templates, and select Templates. To use a template, simply click on the Start icon for that template. Thank you.